Hi, my Donnas. Okay, so today, let's do this again. I, my Donnas. Huh. Does that sound better? Does that sound like I am not that tired? Hello, my Donnas. Okay, that kind of sound a little better. Good afternoon, my Donnas. Depends on where you are watching this video and the time that you're watching this video, whether it's good morning, good evening, good night. It depends. Anyway, guys, I am here today because I want to share something with you. Um, so last year, it's been over 2 years. I wanted to do a planner, a life and goal planner, and that was my 2020, one of my 2023 goal to complete the planner. I uploaded on the 29th, but it did not go live because there was an issue. So do you see where this writing at the back? It was a little bit too close to the edge. And they emailed me that I have to edit it. So I edited it and it takes another couple of days, almost 72 hours. So it fall over into January. But I try to upload it from the 29th of December. I really wanted to hit for the new year, for the end of 2023, but it's come over on 2024. But now it's available on Amazon. If you type in my name, Donna Edwards Awthorne, you will find my book on Amazon, that's my name. You could screenshot it if you want. I'm going to share a little bit of what the planner is. Okay. So it said Life and Goal Planner, Law of Attraction. Let's put on my glasses. Life and Goal Planner, Law of Attraction, Donna Edwards Awthorne. Okay. All right. So on the first page, it said daily attraction. Okay. That's on the first. Well, this is not really the page. That is just But on the first page, this is what it said. What you think, you become, and that's truth. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. Okay? So there it is. And that's no joke. Okay, so this is the first page. Start writing your goals. Okay? All right. So this is what it said. You wake up in the morning. I am in charge of my own happiness and success. That's what it is right here. I am in charge of my own happiness and success. Okay, so what are your happiness? And what do you think you accomplish? You could start writing it. Okay, right here on the next page, today I choose to focus on what I can control. You see? Controlled, okay? And then the next page said, I am working at achieving my dreams. And this goes on. This is 190 something pages. I don't know if I ever seen a journal this much page. I think I have a few, which is like 70 something. I'm not sure if I ever had one that I've of I ever had a journal that have so much pages. But this is my journal, and you could find it on Amazon. It has so much more values to it. This is round by the back. It have let's go back here. The vision board, right? And vision board creation, right? Create a vision board that I'm not gonna give you too much information, but there it is. This journal have a lot to it. It's not just, I don't want to give you every page of something, so I don't want to see. It's just different. So go on Amazon and pick up your copy. It's worth it, guys. Your life and goal planner. Everyone should have a life and goal planner. every human being on this earth that have a value and want to create. And let me tell you something. We all have phones. We type things. Tomorrow we lose it. We don't even know what we do. You can get something on your phone that you could type up and save it, but that's not the good way to do it, because you could lose your phone and you lose everything. This could be at your bedside table with your pen. You know what? I should have created one with a pen, but I didn't. So it just come to me. I should have created with a little package and a little pen, but you can get a pen anywhere. I have a whole container of pen right here. So get your life planner and keep it at your bedside table. You're going on the road, you could write it, because there's something that come to you on the road. You could write it down here, or you could just type it up on your phone, and when you got home, just write it in your planner. If something that you want to accomplish, write it down. Write at least 20 things that you want to accomplish for 2024. Write them down. Imagine them. Think about them. Go work for them and achieve them. Okay, the next thing is my autobiography, my life story. Yeah. What make Donna Donna? What make Donna this person, this self-driven, motivate, um, want to achieve? It's all in here. Why I am the way I am. Donna Edwards Autumn autobiography. I wasn't okay. On Amazon. If you type my name on Amazon, these two books is gonna pop up. Okay, my planner and my autobiography. If you type my name in, if you go on Amazon and you type in I wasn't okay, this is gonna come up. I wasn't okay book. But if you type in my name for the planner, then you will get that. Okay? Because if you type in Life and Gold Planner on Amazon, a lot of them going to be popped up. But I guess you have to type in my name, or I always share the link on my Facebook page. I'm going to put it on my Instagram as well. So you could just click the link from my page and just up on over to Amazon and support me. Also, when you get it, go through it, and then you could leave your thoughts. If you ever have a journal like this, you can text me and let me know. It's just something different. I never see one like this. It motivates you to write stuff. So that's why I decided to create this one, because I always buy planner. I have a lot of them up here on top of this thing. So that's just it, guys. I hope I said what I have to, but thank you guys for everyone who always support me, who purchased my book. I appreciate you. I give God thanks for you to support me. So if you purchase this, my planner or my autobiography, please, I'm asking if you could go back on Amazon and leave me a honest review. Oh, you write the review? A lot of people ask me that they would write the review on Facebook. It's nice to have it on Facebook, but it's also better to write it on Amazon, because it helped to popped up in their algorithm. So once you go on the books on Amazon, you're gonna scroll down and until the bottom, you see where it said write a review. Once you click on the book on Amazon and you scroll down, my tongue is too heavy. Scroll down, whatever. It show you where you could actually write a review for any one of my books. And thank you again. I appreciate you for your support. For anyone who purchased my journal, my planner, my book, autobiography, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your feedback. For everyone who already leave a feedback, for everyone who tag me, for everyone who comment, for everyone, it's a form of support. Everything you do pertaining to this, whether you share it, whether you like it, whether you inbox me when you purchase it and you leave your thoughts. I have people that cry to me. I have people that said I am strong and they couldn't do it. I have people that encourage me. Thank you guys. There's so much different stuff. They can relate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank all of you. Whatever you do to support me, it could even give me a like. Thank you. Appreciate you. God bless. Take care, guys, and keep me posted. When you purchase it, you could tag me if you want to repost. Yeah, if you want to repost my book when you purchase it, please tag me. And if you support me and purchase this book, because Auntie Donna posts this, you don't have much people that share my book, but Auntie Donna posted a lot. And I just want to say thank you, Auntie Donna, for reshare my book. Thank you. God bless you. God bless your heart. God bless you and protect you. Thank you for everyone. God bless you. All I want who support me and purchase my book. God bless you and protect all I want. Yeah. I wasn't okay. Okay. So, content. You see, these are all the chapters of the book. 20 chapters. It's there. 20. These are all the chapters. 22 chapters. Right. That's what it is. 22 chapters. And it said this book is not a fairy tale. And it's really not. It's not a fairy tale, okay? Acknowledgement. Who I acknowledge in this book. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my children, Samantha, Samoya, Siobhan, and Malika, who are my weakness and my strength. Please continue to keep it real. I never ask you to be perfect. Just be good and do great things. Always remember, in everything, put our Father first to lead. I love you guys. To my husband, Max, thank you so much for your support in all that I do, even when you don't like it. And that is truth. I have been like it, and I have been hard-headed. Your strength and encouragement has given me wings. Thank you endlessly, my love. To Nathaniel and Chanel, you guys mean so much to me. To my 6 siblings, nieces, nephew, auntie, uncles, cousin, in-laws, and friends. So many of you. I can't start naming everyone. The book will be full before I start my chapters. Thank you all so much for being in my life. With God, all things are possible. Lots of love to you all. I mean, there is so much more that I really wanted to put into this book, but that's why I wanted to do a part 2, because there's so much more I really wanted to put in books. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go leave you. Love you. Stay blessed. Be honest. Trust God. God is love. And believe in yourself, because you can do anything you want with God's help. And once your heart is clean, you can move mountain. You can do it. I promise you. I promise. If I'm not supposed to be promising anybody, but if you believe in what you are doing, if you believe in yourself, if you believe in self-love, if you believe in growth, if you believe in who you are, you can rise above anything. Trust God. Ask Him. Ask Him. Hold Him accountable for the things that He said. he was going to do, he will do for you. You know, think about the things that God said he will do for you. Think about some of them and call him out upon them. He might listen. Okay? Blessings, love, and prosperity. Peace.